out to mow the yard because it was supposed to have thunderstorms today. When I came back here to dump the mulch on the mulch pile, I was greeted by this. Yeah, I got another big branch fell off the silver maple. And when it fell, it hooked onto one on the maple tree, on this sugar maple over here, that sits over the top of the tractor shed, which is going, by the way. The tractor sheds will be leaving. And snap that branch. So I got that branch to take down. Then I got this one to cut up. Big mess. And of course this is going to be a real pain in the butt to get off the top of the garden shed. And I keep coming back to, I got to move the garden shed. To make that happen, I got to hook onto that 4x6 and pull it out of there. Because that was a bad idea. Hooking onto that just made it so that I was anchored to the ground. So it's raining now. It's supposed to have thunderstorms today, which of course might mean another branch comes down. This tree's rotted. You can see that the base of that branch is all rotted out. And this big branch here on the side has got the same kind of thing going. Silver maples just are weak trees. They call them soft maples. And there's a reason for that. It's because they're soft. And also they get eaten. Ants and bugs of all kinds chewing on them all the time. The other thing that they do is they tend to grow right next to each other. This is actually two trees in one. So the one tree is trying to grow in and around the other, which means both of them are dying. So I need to have somebody come in and take this tree out. It would be a good thing all the way around. This silver maple is really not any good. It's been shading out the backyard. You can see the grass is dead on a doornail here. Fescue does grow, but not well. And this ground cover, they planted ground cover in here, and it does cover the ground, but it also hides all the sticks. The sticks that fall off of these silver maple trees like nobody's business land on the ground cover, and then the ground cover swarms over the top of them, covers them up, and you can't walk through because it's a trap. So, get the tractor and we'll haul all the junk out of the ground cover, probably strip off most of the ground cover while I'm doing it. Get that cleaned up. But I'll do that after I get this maple branch off the garden shed and cleaned up. What a mess.
Is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.